Good morning. Today I am going to start a new chapter. In this video, we will learn how to convert from rectangular or Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate. So, let me sketch one here. This is a Cartesian plane. It's a Cartesian plane or rectangular plane containing x and y axis. This is x axis and this is y axis. And this is corresponding negative axis of x axis and corresponding negative y axis. Now as an example, let me a point P of 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3 along x axis as marked and 1, 2, 3, 4 as marked in along y axis. So x and y coordinates. Then we get a point in the Cartesian plane here P of 3, 4. We know that it is a pole. Pole means origin. And it's a polar axis. Say polar axis. And connect the pole to a point P of 3, 4 where it's an R. R means that distance between pole to a point P of 3, 4. This R is never negative. R is also positive value. So angle theta. Theta is the angle, means angle between these two lines, polar axis and this line. We can draw a perpendicular line from a point P of 3, 4 to along x axis. This is the line, the angle. Length of this line is 4 and this line is 3. That's x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Then we can convert P of 3, 4 to P of r, theta. It is an right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. It's angle 90 degree. This is the polar coordinate system. So P of 3, 4 to convert P of r, theta. Then we can find what is the value of r and theta. Find the values of r and theta. Then we know that cos theta equal to x by r and sin theta equal to y by r. This implies x equal to r cos theta and this implies y equal to r sin theta. Using Pythagoras theorem, we get r square equal to x square plus y square. Using Pythagoras theorem, so first equation, second equation, using Pythagoras theorem, we get r square equal to x square plus y square. It's third equation. We know that x is here 3 and y is 4. Therefore, r is r square equal to, these three equations are very important. R square equal to x is 3. So 3 square plus 4 square. So equal to 9 plus 16. That's equal to 25. Then r equal to root 25 equal to 5. So the value of r is 5. Then next we can find the value of theta. We can divide second equation by first equation, which implies second equation is y equal to r sin theta. So y equal to r sin theta divided x equal to r cos theta. R cos theta is rewritten as r sin theta by r cos theta equal to y by x. R is cancelled. Then we get sin theta by cos theta equal to y by x. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta equal to y by x. Which implies we can find the value of theta. So theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Then here y is 4 and x is 3. Then theta equal to tan inverse of, it's another important result, equation 4. Theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. That's approximately equal to 53.13 degree. Therefore, the value of P of 3, 4 converted P of R is 5. So, P of 5, 53.13 degree. It's a rectangular coordinate or Cartesian. Rectangular or Cartesian coordinate, and it's a polar coordinate. Rectangular coordinates variables are x, y, and polar coordinates variables are r, theta. And r, theta are values of r and theta can find these four equations. Find using these four equations. Then by definition, we can write polar form as rectangular coordinates x, y, and polar coordinates r, theta are related by the equation x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Let a non-zero complex number z equal to x plus iy can be written in the polar form. That is, we know that x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. Therefore, z equal to r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. R is common, so r into cos theta plus I sin theta. It's another important result. This equation is known as polar form of the complex number set. We have r is the distance from the origin to the point x, y. R is never negative. That is, R is always positive. Therefore, we can take R to the modulus. That is, mod z equal to R. Where theta is the angle. The angle theta is measured in radians. The angle theta, radians means degree. The angle theta measured in radians from the positive real axis. real axis. The radiance is positive when angle theta is measured. When angle theta is measured counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise direction. And radiance is negative when theta is measured clockwise direction. This clockwise direction means in this direction, and counterclockwise direction means in this direction. Clockwise when theta is negative, and counterclockwise theta is positive. Theta is positive and theta is negative. The angle theta is also called an argument of Z. The angle theta is also called argument of Z. Argument of Z. That is theta equal to argument of Z. We know that tan theta equal to y by x. Tan theta equal to y by x. That's equal to argument of Z. It's a complex number. Argument of a complex number. Theta is also called argument of a complex number. Tan theta, it's written as in the real case. But theta is equal to argument of Z in complex number. The solution of the equation, that is tan theta equal to y by x is equal to argument of Z equal to tan theta equal to y by x is the solution of this equation is not unique. The solution of this equation is not unique. Okay, this is a brief introduction of how to convert rectangular or Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate. Okay, thank you.